you're planning a move abroad, you know what it's like to have 47 tabs open, no idea what to do next. You make a decision, and then three more things show up, and you still have to move. That's not an information problem. It's not even a research problem. This is actually a structure problem, and that's exactly why I created the Expat Journey Program. And I want to show you. So the Expat Journey Program, at the center of everything, is the Map Abroad method. It's a framework that includes the pre-move roadmap and the post-move roadmap. In the pre-move roadmap, we look at every step of planning the move before you actually get there. So setting the foundations, understanding your motivations, then how to actually plan and research, setting target dates, planning financially, deciding where to live, then practical aspects, how to deal with bureaucracy, deciding what to pack, learning a new language, and mindset aspects. You got to share the news, say your goodbyes, how to help family, and finally, the ready, set, go. So you're ready to go, and some final packing tips, planning in the settling in phase, and all. But it's not only about getting there, right? It's about actually arriving there. So in the post-move roadmap, we talk about how to settle in, what to expect from adjustment, integration strategies, exploring new surroundings, and how to deal with communication differences. Then in adjustment, we talk about intercultural differences, making new friends. Then we talk about how to make this your new normal, reviewing your financial life, and finally, how to make it work in the long. So the Expat Journey Program helps you navigate everything from idea to integration. But that's not all. We actually have a lot more in the Expat Journey Program. We have a directory of service providers that help with every single aspect of your move abroad. These are vetted businesses that help with legal and financial services, visa and bureaucracy services, real estate and relocation support, lifestyle and integration support, education and career support. That means we have relocation agencies, we have financial planners, we have tax specialists, we have real estate specialists, we have transportation companies, pet transportation companies, language coaches, and so much more for many different countries. Now, we also have master classes, guest speaker interviews, and for the complete tier, we have live workshops, Q&A calls, and orientation calls. Now, not only that, but we also have a community of like-minded people, the journey makers who are ready to help and to share in any phase of your journey. Now, there are two ways in the Expat Journey Program. The Essentials tier gives you the full methodology with um, the Map Abroad method, the master classes, guest speaker interviews, and access to the directory, which has the businesses with special discounts and offers for members. It's self-directed, structured, and you get to determine the pace that you want to go, how slowly or how fast you want to go through everything. Now, the complete tier gives you access to everything in Essentials, plus live events and more personal guidance from me. So in addition to all that I said before, the complete tier had live workshops, live Q&A calls, live orientation calls, and a pick my brain feature where you get to send a question, an audio or video directly to me, and you will get a personalized answer directly in your inbox. It's like having me in your pocket. So it's the same map, but you have different levels of guidance in your journey. Both tiers include a 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. And if you've been waiting for the right structure to actually move forward with your move abroad, this is it. So find where to click around this video and go ahead and choose the tier and let's get started. I'll see you.